Today, we're going to focus on letting go of the past and cultivating a sense of peace and acceptance. We often find ourselves stuck in cycles of rumination, replaying events or thoughts that no longer serve us. This meditation is about recognizing those patterns and gently guiding ourselves back to the present moment where we can truly exercise our power to choose how we respond to life. And so it begins. Find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle into the support beneath you. Let your shoulders relax. Your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, focusing on a single point in front of you. We'll start by taking 3 mindful breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Again, inhale calmness and exhale into stillness. One more time, breathe in deeply and exhale, feeling yourself fully arrive in this moment. Now let's gently shift our awareness to our thoughts. If you've been ruminating about something specific, acknowledge it without judgment. Approach this situation with curiosity, like examining a puzzle piece. Here's the key. Can you change the past? No, but you can choose how to respond to it. Start cultivating equanimity, a state of balance and acceptance, even in the face of strong emotions. Silently offer yourself some phrases of compassion and understanding. I cannot change the past. May I be at ease with my mind. May I care for myself even during this difficulty. Spend a few moments with these phrases or with the feelings they bring up, allowing it to sink in. Now shift your awareness to the present moment. You may not be able to control the past, but you can choose your actions now. Replace rumination with the knowledge that you have the power to create happiness. Silently repeat these additional phrases. May I act with wisdom. May I respond with compassion. May I move forward with grace. Continue with these phrases for several moments. Whenever your mind wanders back to the past, gently return to these phrases and your intention to move forward. The phrases again are, may I act with wisdom. May I respond with compassion. May I move forward with grace. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to reconnect with the body. Feel the solidity of your feet on the ground, the gentle support of the seat beneath you, and the rhythm of your breath. Let your awareness flow through your body, noticing any areas of softness, any spaces where tension has released. Now let's take 3 more mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with a sense of grace. Exhale, letting go of any lingering bothers or ruminations. Again, inhale resilience, and exhale, grounding yourself in this truth. One last time, breathe in your inner strength and exhale, feeling calm and confident. As you finish your meditation, carry the phrases that we repeated with you throughout the day. Whenever you find yourself dwelling on the past, offer yourself a phrase of equanimity or wise action. As you finish your meditation, carry the phrases we repeated with you throughout the day. Whenever you find yourself dwelling on the past, offer yourself a phrase of equanimity or wise action. Remember, you have the power to choose your present moment.